Assalamu alaikum. I'm Anjum Halai, professor and vice-provost at the Aga Khan University in Pakistan. I'm very pleased to be here at this workshop being held at IBA under the leadership of Dr. Asma Haider and Dr. Fareed Panjwani. There's a lot of innovation happening in the country in the arena of undergraduate education. And the structures, processes, curriculum, all of these have been revitalized under the new undergraduate education policy. As the higher education system begins to implement that policy, it is important for the higher education providers and the universities, whether in the private sector or the public sector, to come together and think through how these initiatives will be rolled out in the field. And I'm very pleased to be here. Some important topics have been identified for deliberation in the workshop, and I'm really looking forward to engaging with my peers in other universities on these important issues. Thank you.